world of currency, where I like to dwell and talk indexes on the majors. And to do that for us, each and every week he does it, and he does it so well. G'day, Lloyd. How are you, mate?
Hi, Geoff. All right, good afternoon to all. Well, let me go through. I think ever since I took over trading buddy for the past 3 weeks, the funny thing is that I've been trading reversals more than continuation. So I don't
It's a
think
thing about trading buddies, mate. It's a thing.
I don't know, man. So I think it also speaks of the kind of charts that I'm looking at. Just that personally, I still don't think that what the chart is telling me that the continuations are coming in. So you'll probably still be getting a bit more volatility. Yeah. So as for the past two pairs that I'm looking for the past week is that look, euro dollar long, it didn't happen. Neither did Kiwi Swiss long. Both of these setup didn't actually happen at all. Yeah. So still gonna be practice a bit more careful. Yeah. So DXY, as to what DXY is doing, look, price has already test one, test twice, and then last week I would actually consider this to be a breakout already. Yeah. So dollar might actually still rally quite a fair bit more. I'm not confident to say that you actually rally back all the way up to hundreds. Possibly at this stage, a small rally up to 95 will be actually very possible. Yeah, so I'm looking for DXY strength. Now euro is actually having the complete opposite of dollar. Yeah, so you can see that test one, test twice, and then it broke down. Yeah, so DXY, EXY, just complete opposite picture, but I cannot say with 100%, much certainty. Yeah, because just looking at this chart, they are still ranging. Yeah, so it didn't really have a really big bar for breaking out. Yeah, so British pound, same story. So actually, I will avoid trading British pound at the moment because unlike the DXY and EXY, it didn't have a very good retest before breaking down. So there's a good chance that price might still rebound from here. Yeah. Now yen is really in the middle of nowhere. And then yeah, Kiwi is the one actually, this is the kind of breakout that I'll be trading. So Kiwi is the one that actually took me by surprise. Really hugging the $70 and then big bearish breakouts. Yeah, so I'm still anticipating that price will actually, for the following week, it still has some weakness left before it hit this horizontal level, then we can decide what to do. Yeah, so bear in mind that this is actually a short-term horizontal level. Usually when I draw these levels, it's just for price to actually take a breather. Yeah, doesn't mean that they will reverse. Yeah. So Aussie is a one same as Kiwi, just big bearish breakout, and it all actually happened mostly on Monday. So Swiss is the one. This one I had a playful game with Alexis. Yeah, so she was saying that Swiss will actually strengthen, and I actually won myself a breakfast set by saying that Swiss will actually have a break and retest, a very classic move, and I actually won that set. As such, I'm still thinking that what the Swiss chart is telling me that it will further weaken all the way down. Yeah, so just keep a lookout for that, right? And CXY again, hugging the line at $80 before had big bearish breakouts. Yeah, so from what the chart telling me that it should actually happily go down at least till 75, 76 before it might take a breather and consider where it's ultimately want to go. Yeah, so for the coming week ahead, the chart that I have is actually, since dollar is possibly breaking out long and CAD is actually showing such a bearish sign, this is what I'm looking at. You can see that dollar break up very nicely. You're just waiting for a retest at this zone before it takes off again, and the other will be Euro Swiss. Yeah. So Euro Swiss consolidation at the moment at the H4 time frame. Yeah. In fact, I would say this is bi-directional trade. So I will actually be waiting for either of these two play. So to see whichever happens first, then I'll be happily trading it. Yeah, simply because Euro at the moment, let's go back to Euro index. Oops. Yeah, you can see that. I would still say that it's a range, not that it had a particularly huge bearish bar. So that's why for the Euro chart, Euro Swiss chart, it might be playing both sides. Yeah, so just keep a lookout for that. Yeah, so that's all for me this week. All in all, I can see more bearishness in the chart rather than bullish strength. Yeah.
All right, mate. That should mean that anybody who's got a selling attitude should be looking okay early in the week. We'll see how we go. Mate, I'll try and catch up with you during the week to discuss handover in the next 10 days or so. Thank you, mate. Much appreciated.
Sure thing. See ya.